Okay.
Get away from me! Get away from me!
We have another Ken sighting in the wild.
No.
Do what you want,
Get away!
sweetheart. I'm not in anybody's
You
face.
don't get. You are in my face, and you don't have a mask. So you need to back up.
Here's the windup
That's assault. That's a
I breathed on you.
and the execution of what is deemed a crime in a pandemic.
That's a good. Get it. That's assault. That's assault. All right.
Oh my God. Now call the cops.
Wait, he asked them to call the cops? It's a theme. For Trump supporters.
You're too close to me. You're too close for me.
You may want to go somewhere else.
To always put their fellow American citizen in harm's way by any means necessary.
Please get away from me.
Because they think coronavirus does not exist. You know, it's funny, covering these stories of Trump supporters, they attest to back the blue.
I dare you. I fucking dare you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I work it.
I literally dare you.
Yet they cough on police officers. So as seen in the first portion of this video, a man-child named Raymond Deskins intentionally coughed on protesters outside of Trump National Golf Club in Sterling, Virginia. He's been charged with misdemeanor simple assault. After being told to back up because he was not donning a face covering, Deskins said, "I'm not in anyone's way," and then exhales heavily on the two women, proclaiming after the fact, "I breathed on you." He just proceeded to assault us by taking a deep breath and doing a very powerful exhalation on both of us, said Kathy Baynett. And now, rightfully so, she is incredibly worried. We're both senior citizens, both close to 70 years old, which puts us in a high-risk category, she said. Because of this guy, my family has had to cancel the small Thanksgiving that we had planned with just a few people because I said I might have been exposed. And here's the thing, Deskins has a rap sheet of his own. In 2012, Deskins, a former air traffic controller, was convicted of workers' comp fraud. An investigation had revealed that in June 2004, Deskins submitted a notice of traumatic injury to the Department of Labor's Office of Workers' Comp programs, claiming federal employees' compensation act benefits in connection with an injury sustained during his employment with the Federal Aviation Administration. There's more. From 2005 through 2008, while receiving disability benefits based on his inability to perform work of any kind, Deskins worked as a construction foreman for a Sterling-based general contractor. He falsely certified to the Department of Labor on annual forms that he had not been engaged in any work activities during the reported periods. Deskins subsequently received nearly $700,000 in federal workers' compensation benefits. Just wow. Now, Howard Finkelstein, a public defender in Broward County, Florida, said this: "It's a crime," as in coughing on someone. "If someone intentionally coughs on you and they don't have the coronavirus, they should be arrested and charged with a misdemeanor. Now, if they tell you they have the virus or they do have it and cough on you, that's a serious felony. If this happens to you, it's no different than if someone hit you in the face with a bat. Call the police right away, and the punishment for the criminal with the virus or even pretending to have the coronavirus could be decades in prison."